Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Rob's. My name is Rabia and today we have Valentine's themed donuts. Yeah baby, a bunch of donuts. Kind of actually want to take a picture of all these donuts. These donuts are from Krispy Kremes. They're the heart donuts that they have over there. These donuts are from Dunkin Donuts. They're a lot bigger than the Krispy Kreme ones. Do you see the size difference? Like, these are massive. And then we have the original Krispy Kreme donuts. Can't go to Krispy Kreme without getting the classic glazed donuts. This is their iconic soft donut that just melts in your mouth. If you guys haven't had a Krispy Kreme glazed donut, go and get yourself one. I'm gonna actually start off with this. Ooh, they're so warm. They're fresh from the oven, I can feel it. I'm gonna have a sugar coma by the end of this video because I can guarantee I'll probably eat like 5 donuts in total. But how much donuts do you guys think I can eat? We'll actually keep count because I'm actually pretty curious how much I can eat. But this will be our first one. I'm telling you, it melts like butter in your mouth. Do you guys see how soft it is? Out of all the places I went, I don't think I got a napkin. I got no single napkin. Are you kidding me? No napkin? Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. I'm not a big fan of it. I just got it. It's the brownie batter iced coffee. I prefer mocha hands down. I just want to give it a try. It's okay. Brownie batter iced coffee. I believe there's 4 different heart-shaped donuts. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And so I think I'll be eating 4 donuts from this box if I can eat it all. This is the Hershey's chocolate chip caramel cream. Now if you guys know me, I'm a huge caramel fan. So cheers. I don't know if I like. It's filled with like buttercream, like vanilla buttercream. It's just overall, it has the caramel hints to it, but it's just kind of too sweet for me. Yeah, no. I can't even finish that. I would give that a 6. It didn't bejazz me. This one's called Hershey Strawberry Dream. This actually looks the best one out of all of them, so let's give it a taste test. Way better. It's filled with strawberry whipped cream. The Strawberry Dream one, I would give a 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. This one is Hershey's Double Chocolate Kiss. Better, but it's still pretty plain. I just feel like it's missing something. It just tastes like chocolate. And it's filled with like a chocolate buttercream, I think. This one's Hershey's I Pick You, and there was a rose on it, but I kind of destroyed the rose. So let's give it a shot. I lost my ratings. That one's filled with like a vanilla custard. It's not even custard. This one's filled with like a vanilla frosting. I think the reason why I don't like these donuts as much as I thought I would is because I'm a huge custard fan when it comes to donuts. I don't really like whipped cream in my stuff. I like custard, like the thick yellow cream filled things. But all in all, if you were to get this box, I recommend the Strawberry Dream first. And then this guy with a chocolate filling. And then the rose. And then the caramel one is last on my book. It just wasn't the greatest. All in all, I think I preferred the OG glazed donut. Anyways, I really liked this box, but it wasn't giving. I know Krispy Kreme donuts is probably gonna be better than Dunkin. The name of these donuts are Cupid's Choice and Brownie Batter. So, I feel like I'm like brownie batter more. I'm gonna be honest, my tummy kinda hurts. Let's go. That's good. I like the frosting. I like the inside of this more than Krispy Kreme, but I like the donut texture more on Krispy Kreme. Yeah. I'll have one more bite of this guy. I think this video will be a short video, to be honest. Cupid's Choice. I like the brownie batter more than the Cupid's Choice. But the Cupid's Choice is filled with a more custard-like cream. And this is exactly what I was talking about. This is what I like in a donut. But the cream is flavored, definitely, with like some type of something. So that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, give the video a big thumbs up and click subscribe down below. Bye guys.